So I have 4 ways that are my personal favorites to structure your calories throughout the week. I'm gonna take you through each one. Before I do, and please listen very closely, if you don't know how many calories you should be eating for fat loss, linked in the description of this video is my free tutorial. It's a free video on YouTube. It's one of my most popular videos. People have seen tremendous results. Literally just got a message on Instagram when I went to go pee. I checked my phone. Someone told me they lost 50 pounds from watching that video. Please go watch. You'll learn exactly how many calories you need to eat to lose fat. With that said, now I'm going to talk to you about each different type of deficit and give you the pros and cons. The first one being the straight deficit. And this is really the most boring one, the most simple one. You don't need too much explanation, but the idea of it being that you eat the same amount of calories every single day. You figure out what your deficit is, and Monday through Sunday, the same number of calories. For me, I don't like this. And that's just personal. It doesn't mean it's bad. I have a lot of clients and Inner Circle members who do this very well. Personally, because my schedule is all over the place, because I travel a lot, because I never really know where I'm gonna be at any point in time with more than 24 hours in advance, I like to have more flexibility. I like to have days where I know I'm gonna eat very, very low, and I like to have other days where I know I can have much more leeway. If I have the same amount every day, it's easier for me to get in my head if I go too far over or too far under. Not that that's bad, but just being in my head, it makes me think, oh no, like I'm gonna have to make up for it another day. It leads to bad habits. So if your schedule is very set in stone, and if you just like eating the same amount with little variance, go with the straight deficit. If you think you might like having some higher days and some lower days, let's go into the next 3.